Let's look at this question. Number 9. Here's a diagram, and it says that the diagram illustrates the velocity time graph of the motion of a body. Calculate the total distance covered by the body. Now, the area covered by the distance time graph is actually the distance. Now, let us start. You can see we have three shapes here. This is A, B, and C. Okay, and if you take a look at this shape, this is more or less like a trapezium, and take note this is 0. Okay, so to that end, distance covered by A, let me say distance A, a trapezium, that 1 over 2 A plus B, then the height. Now this is our small a, which is 10. 1 over 2 into what? 10 plus. Then from here is the B, which is 20. Then our height from here to here, that will be 5. So this will be, here now we have 30 times 5 all over 2 to give us 15. Now 15 times 5 here, that should give us 5, remainder 2, that will be 75. Now for distance B, which seems to be a rectangle, so that will be length times breadth, and this should give us here from here to here is 5, and here 20, that will be 20 times 5, this should give us 100 meter. Now the last one, which is C, form up a triangle. Distance covered in C, you have half base times height. Now the base here is 5, because 15 minus 10 is 5, times 20 all over 2, that is the height. So 2 here 1, 2 here 10, so here you have what? 50. Now total distance here now be 100 plus 75 plus 50. So this will be 5. Here will be 12. Should that be 12? Yeah, 12, remainder 1. So D is the final answer. Thank you.